Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a different video, but I decided to do a day in the life video. I have a lot of stuff to do today, and I honestly don't even know how I'm going to get all of these things done. So it's really early and it's really gloomy outside. It's raining, it's storming, and you guys, to be honest, the weather matches how I am feeling right now. It is Tuesday, and when I tell you all, it is so hard for me to get out of bed in the morning because I'm so tired. I don't know how to sleep at night and don't know how to like not take naps during the day. It is, and there's stuff on in the kitchen making breakfast, if you all can hear all of that rattling in the background. But I am in grad school and I am online. So you guys, I am completely zoomed out. I have seen too much technology. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, do you see that underneath my eyes? OMG. My eyes do not normally look like this. So, product of being in grad school, I am in an advanced standing program. So, it is summer. It's like a crash course. And that's where I'm at. Summer 1 session, and you guys, this is crazy. So I just decided to bring you all along with me today because I have a lot of stuff to do, and it's probably gonna get messy because it is raining really bad outside. So stay tuned. These are like the best wipes to clean glasses, computer screens, phone screens, and yeah. So this wipe normally can take care of my glasses and my phone screen all at once, and normally that's what I do because I don't like to waste them. So clean my glasses really good, put them on and check them out. Perfect. Then I go ahead and do my phone. Hello. Good morning. I am tired. So for breakfast, I'm having this veggie sausage biscuit. It has jelly on it. That's what's oozing out. And this for energy. I'm not even going to say the name, but I need this for energy today, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and munch on this before my class starts. Stefan wanted me to tell you all that my breakfast was made with extra love because he made it. So I would just like to say myself that, you guys, this is going to be a tough class to get through. If you all can listen really closely, and I might have to turn the volume up, but that is the rain outside today. Literally the bottom is about to fall out. Oh my god, I'm so not ready. One of my classmates yesterday, while we were on Zoom, literally had to stand up the entire time to keep from falling asleep, and I might be on that train today because, baby, that is crazy. Okay guys, just a little update. My Zoom class ended a little early, and I still had work to do. I had to submit an assignment before I head out, and I had to wrap up some other work. Right now I'm just putting some stuff in my little handy dandy backpack because I'm going to my sister's place, and when you go to your sister's place or your family member place, you don't know how long you're gonna be there, so you pack your work and take it with you so you can keep them grades up. And laptop And don't be like me and have papers just hanging out all everywhere because they get lost and you just don't know where they at. So keep your stuff together. Don't be like me. Take my laptop. Charger, because like I said, you don't know how long you're gonna be there. And the little straggler notes that you probably gonna need that you didn't think you need. And pens I was using today. And we're good to go. So y'all, one thing did good coming from this rain. Some of this bird doo-doo is getting washed off. Yes, honey. It was like all over my car. Some of the spots getting washed away though. I'll take it.
That is the kind of
So I had to take the audio off of these clips from Food Line, but you guys, who knew that Simply had milk? Like almond milk. Like, I'm just so shocked, so surprised. Like, who would have ever known? Like, you guys were supposed to be in the orange juice and lemonade area. So by the way, y'all, I did go on Food Line with this camera, but when I got there, I sanitized it and I sanitized all over our phones, so we should be good to go. But right now, I'm just helping my sister put these groceries up before she have to hit it, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is my first time using a Ninja. I keep thinking it's a NutriBullet. I'm gonna show you how my mistake, because you know I'll be honest with y'all. It says clearly right here, matte liquid, and y'all see what I did, right? So my sister thought about the idea, since I got to make 2 of them anyway, we're gonna put what's on top in here. Most of this is yogurt and orange juice, so now doing stuff backwards. Put berries. burn out. So it's still past the matte steel thing, but I honestly think it's gonna be okay. But we gonna see.
Oh yeah, because it's fruit.
Yep. Because it's not gonna be this full anyway. Stephon, can you come be my assistant?
You got me being an assistant?
Yep. Push down? Yeah.
Oh, you want to? To the top?
Yeah. We'll be right here.
And I would be an assistant, so I only use that one time myself.
You know, you having too much fun with this.
Jealous?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. I went ahead and stirred it up this time so we wouldn't have no issues. And it's okay to use the same one because it's the same ingredients. And you guys, I got a big kid right here. Come here, go show him. I got a big kid right here. Come here. That want to test out the little toy. Go ahead. Be careful. What are you doing?
I'm making a smoothie.
No, you got to hold your hand. You can't do that.
You can't lift up.
You can't lift up.
I wanted a smoothie, not a drink.
Look,
This thing extra blend. Oh no, that thing still
no,
thick.
it's not. Let me do it.
It's control freak right now.
Hello. Where did that come from? So this is what we are having for dinner. Of course, my sister is not eating veggie chicken. Couldn't get her to do that, but got some homemade mashed potatoes, some rolls, veggie chicken made by Stefano, of course, with some white gravy, and some corn and lima beans. So I got a little bit of greens up in there. Everywhere.